Good morning. Well, now I can't move the pillow. Good morning, my hotties. Today's video is going to be a little vlog. I love vlogging, and I thought I would just take you guys along on some pretty regular days. Nothing too crazy going on, but I'm actually excited because I'm going to be heading to a cafe soon. I'm about to leave in like 10 minutes or so, but I'm meeting up with a friend. Your girl's making friends, which is so exciting. I feel like post-grad life, it's really hard to make new friends, but I'm putting myself out there. We're gonna try to do this. I actually met her for the first time at an 80s concert, and I was like, this is awesome. She's the person that really like solidified my 80s love, so I owe her a lot. But yeah, it's a really cute cafe. Oh, I'm gonna show you my outfit actually. I just wanted to be comfortable today, so I have this little green jumper. It's kind of cold right now. In the afternoon, it's gonna get a little bit warmer, so I thought this, a lot of holes in there, as you can see, I think is perfect. It has a cute little star too, and I'm just wearing some jeans. I don't know. My hair was not cooperating today, so I put it in a little bun. I added some glasses because I'm thinking, I don't know, studious vibe. I was too lazy to put in my contacts, and honestly I haven't gone to the optometrist in 2-3 years, so I don't know if those contacts are the right prescription anymore. So yeah, I'm just wearing my little glasses, but this is the whole fit.
Yeah, it's cute. Yeah, I gotta make it. Thank you. Oh my god. Time to go
I just got a new water bottle. I love the color. I think it's so cute. And of course, if you know me, I'm gonna be adding a bow to anything and everything I can. I feel like it looks adorable, right? Leave it up to me to be excited about a water bottle, but come on. Anyways, I've been working for the past couple of hours. I'm just editing a little bit, but I'm taking a little break because I just saw the lineup for Head in the Clouds LA this summer. I'm so excited. I was really considering going to the New York one because XG was performing. They're one of my favorite girl groups, and they just got announced for LA, so I'm so excited. Like, oh my god. I've gone to Head in the Clouds for the past 2 years, and this year would be my third. Also kind of random, but I have my stress rash again. I've talked about it on my TikTok, but whenever I get stressed out, I get a rash. And honestly, I don't even know what I'm stressed out about now, but I guess my body's reacting. So I've just been a little gremlin and like scratching my neck. So if you see that happening in the vlog, you know why.
没有什么能形容这样迷人的脸孔，心脏扑通扑通，妆容精致的刚好，双唇繁星般闪耀。
Yesterday, I dyed Martin's hair. It didn't turn out great, but I think it'll still be a fun little video, so I'm just gonna edit that.
It's too good to be true. Baby, I can't take my eyes off you.
Look at my nails. I think they're so cute. But on this hand, Miffy's eye is kind of messed up. I think I scraped it on something. So I'm just going to take a little baby brush like this. Oh my god, I'm a real YouTuber. But you can see it's tiny, and then just take some black nail polish and try to fix it up. On the side, I'm watching, what is it called again? Queen Charlotte, A Bridgerton Story. I just that was bad. I just finished both seasons of Bridgerton, and I'm almost done with this little spin-off series. I think it's really good. I'm like super late on the Bridgerton trend. My thoughts right now is that season 2 was astronomically better than season 1. I mean, obviously I like season 1 enough to watch season 2, but the chemistry with the two leads was, oh no. Anyways, I just realized that the messed up eye is on my right hand, which means I have to try to paint it with my left, and I'm right-handed, so let's just see how this goes. This with our own money, but we've been tired of grocery shopping, so we wanted just to go for like a delivery service. Okay, what are we feeling today? We have chicken, shrimp, or lo mein. Let's do it. I know I look really weird in this light, but this is the only place I could put the camera. If you watch my last what I eat in a day, I mentioned how I want to cook more. And I'm proud to say that we have been. I think it's been really fun. It's been like a bonding experience. How to zest a lime without a zester.
Use a vegetable peeler or a small, sharp knife.
This is tonight's entertainment. Going 17 is just so funny. I think it's so funny. They're chaotic. Oh. Our biggest couple flex is that we are really good at playing Overcooked together. Like, we never fight. We just completed the game with at least 3 stars, but now we're just gonna do some extra levels, and now we're doing like a little Asian inspired one. So I mean, it's perfect for us.
We're Asian.
Rice in there.
Do you want to serve? Shut up.
J'avoue, j'en ai bavé, pas vous, mon amour. Avant d'avoir eu vent de vous, mon amour. Ne vous déplaise en dansant la javanaise. Nous nous aimions le temps d'une chanson. À votre avis, qu'avons-nous vu de l'amour? De vous à moi, vous m'avez eu, mon amour. Ne vous déplaise en dansant la javanaise.
For today's makeup, I want to try a new product. Dr. Jart sent me some stuff and I'm so excited. I've actually tried this one before and I liked it, but I felt that it was a little bit too heavy on my skin sometimes. But this one is like a little dropper, so I'm pretty sure it's a bit more watery. I actually went into Sephora without makeup on and you can see that I have some redness, a little bit of rosacea. And one of the Sephora ladies was like, girl, you need this. She's like, you need to fix your redness. She really called me out, but I hope that this works out. I'm just gonna test it out on my hand first. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to apply the drops straight onto my face or if I'm supposed to blend it out first, but because it's so watery, I'm pretty sure. I'm just gonna try it. Oh, you know what I should have done? I should have only done one side to see the difference, but too late now. It's basically skincare, right? So I think that this will be good for those kind of no makeup days. I mean, obviously I wasn't expecting full coverage like how a foundation does, but I think it did a good job.
Yeah, let it go. It's been a while since we last spoke, baby. You were so cold that you drove me crazy. Don't know where to go, lose control. Think I need to let it go.
So excited about today's lunch. Martin and I went to a Thai restaurant a couple days ago and we have a bit of leftovers, so I'm just going to be eating curry. Curry is one of my favorite foods ever, so I'm ready to devour this. I'm trying to get into a proper habit of taking my vitamins because I know your girl is not, I know I'm lacking in some things. Started doing Care Of. This is not sponsored anyway, partnership, nothing. I spent my own money on this. I just heard a lot of great things about it and I like how it comes daily. Also, it has a really cute quote. It says, "Who you are today, that's who you are. Be brave, be amazing, be worthy." And I think I really needed that this morning. As I mentioned before, I know I'm lacking in a lot of things. So when I was taking the quiz and like choosing my vitamins, I was like, oh, I need this. Oh, I know I'm deficient in this and this and this. And it all kind of added up. And now I'm taking 9 pills. So I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of hard for me to take these every morning, but look how giant they are. Oh, but anyways, I'm gonna do this now because I think my future self will thank me for it, but messing around, y'all. I'm trying to be in my healthy era. I've actually never had, you know, like that pressed juicery phase. I saw this at the supermarket and it's a Master Cleanse Super Aid. I'm nervous because it has cayenne in it and I've never drank it before, but we'll see. Cheers. It tastes good. I'm a little bitch when it comes to spice, so I don't know why I thought this would be super spicy, but this is good. I'm feeling a little bit hungry, so I'm gonna eat some pita chips and hummus and literally watch Zootopia. I don't know why. I think it's because Martin and I accidentally signed up for a full year of Disney Plus, so we're trying to use it as much as we can.
I'm crazy for you, losing my head.
Martin just got home and he brought home some Smisky. I'm feeling this one.
Not that one?
We are whores for a mystery box, and we've been talking about these little guys. We have a few just laying around in the house. Oh wait, no, but we should choose which one we want first.
Oh yeah.
Okay, wait. This is the one that I saw on the TikTok actually that I wanted. This one right here that's laying with its feet up.
Like
oh, you like the one that's doing warrior pose? That one?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, damn it. We got the same one.
Oh, but they're cute though. We could have little twins.
We can have them facing each other.
That's me and you. Thank you. Okay, we should probably, where should we put them?
Crazy for you, losing my head, distorting off you, feet in the sand, just thinking of you. That's what you do. That's what you do. Pretty sets are pretty, but pretty is prettier with you. Now I know there's someone I wanna be, someone to you. So I made my move. We just take it slow, keep the sailing smooth. You know how it goes. Crazy.
And I'm getting sweaty because it's hot.
Yeah.
Sailing smooth. You know how it goes. Crazy, crazy, baby, crazy for you. Crazy, crazy.
Okay, I'm just gonna end today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I had a really good time spending the past couple of days with you, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Love you.